Do you feel like your life is where you want it to be? Or do you feel like you want something more? Something visual, something creative? Whatever creative pursuit you choose, there is one skill that's fundamental across them all, and that skill is drawing. In this video, I'm going to share with you 6 reasons why you need to learn to draw in 2023. Now first, let me ask you this. Have you ever tried an artistic endeavour and found it difficult to get the hang of it? Maybe you've tried painting or drawing in the past and it hasn't worked out well for you. Now it's unfortunate to have to say this, but this is happening to people all the time. Now I'm Justin and it's my mission to help you get the information you need to be able to learn how to paint or draw or pursue any creative interest that you desire. Now let's get to it. Now I promised you 6 reasons and I'm going to deliver on that promise. But make sure you watch all of them. Some of them might just surprise you. Reason number 1. Learning to draw will open you up to a whole new way of looking at things and seeing the world around you. Your visual senses will become sharper. You'll be able to see more clearly. You'll be able to see many, many more things when you look around you. You'll start to see lines. You'll start to see shapes. You'll see colours, textures, all of these different areas that you probably notice to some level now, but I can promise you, once you really learn to draw, you're going to see them so much more clearly. Everything will be so much different for you. Now, an artist isn't a camera lens. We don't just look at things and record them as they exactly are. We look at things and we interpret them through our own feelings and emotions, and then we tell that story in the way that we decide they need to be told. If you learn to draw in 2023, you will start to learn to see the world through your own unique viewpoint, and you'll be able to create that and share it with the people around you. Reason number 2. If you learn to draw in 2023, you're going to gain critical skills that are going to be of use to you no matter what it is that you go and do afterwards. You can learn to paint, you can make ceramics, you can do pottery, anything you want. Learning to draw will give you the fundamental things that you're going to use no matter what. These things are the elements of design. Line, shape, texture, I just mentioned a bunch of them. Look, these are the things that are going to really give you a thorough grounding of everything that you need to know. And you can apply it to everything. 2-dimensional art, 3-dimensional art, no matter what you want to do. These things are always going to be relevant and useful to you. Now, reason number 3. Drawing is something that you can do anywhere. You can't carry a marble block out into the mountains and go and do a carving. You can't carry your potter's wheel down the street and do pottery on the go. But drawing is something you can do anywhere and any time. Carry a simple sketchbook, a pencil, you're set, you're off and running. You don't need complicated equipment, you don't need to spend a lot of money, you don't need a dedicated space. You can draw anything, anywhere, anytime, and that's a fantastic hobby to have. When travelling, I love to carry a sketchbook with me. It allows me to capture even a few simple details as I go. Those few simple details really help build my memory. I have such a powerful recollection. Now, reason number 4. Learning to draw is fun. Now, some people might not agree with this, and if you've had a frustrating experience, I can understand where you're coming from, but hear me out. If you start from a suitable place that recognises the skill level that you have and gives you the chance to build up step by step by step, slowly and surely building your confidence, how much more fun do you think that would be? I can promise you, it's a lot more fun than trying to start way up here at the top and to do really hard things that you're not ready for. If you learn to draw the right way, you'll be having more and more fun than you ever imagined you could. Just imagine how satisfying it can be to look at something that matters to you, something you really care about, and to be able to capture that, to be able to recreate that in a visual way. How amazing is that? I can promise you, it feels great. It's fantastic. You will never regret it if you learn how to draw in 2023. Reason number 5. If you learn to draw in 2023, guess what will happen? Your friends and your family will see an evolution. You'll start out with a very basic idea, and you'll build and you'll build and you'll build. You gain skills and knowledge and confidence until you're turning out really good work. And what will that do? What that will do is it will inspire the people around you. They will be amazed by what you can do, and I promise you, you can do amazing things. No matter what you believe right now, you can do amazing things. Be that influence to your family. Show them exactly what can be done. All of these things can be amazing. Lead by example and show the people around you that you can do it. and that will show them that they can do it too. You could inspire a whole revolution of creative pursuit within your family or your friends or your social circle, and that's an amazing thing to do. You will never know the influence that you have on the people around you. But I promise you, if you learn to draw in 2023, you're going to be giving people a big thumbs up to go out there and chase their dreams and pursue the things that are important to them. And that's an amazing thing to do. Reason number 6. You should learn to draw in 2023 because you can. No, I'm not just hard up for a 6th reason. You can genuinely learn to draw, and this is the most important reason of them all. So many people in this world believe they can't draw. They believe that drawing is a realm only open to certain individuals with talent or skill or whatever. It's not true. It's absolutely not true. You can learn to draw. I learned to draw. So many people have learned to draw. We can all draw. Did a Formula 1 driver go out and win a race on their first day of driving? No, they didn't. And neither will you as an artist complete a masterpiece on your first day of drawing. So get your expectations back down where they belong. Give yourself a chance to be a beginner, and I promise you, you can learn to draw. Now, when you first start out, you're not going to get amazing results. Don't expect that. What you will get is the opportunity to start cementing in skills and building knowledge that over time will give you the confidence, and you start to grow and grow and grow until you get amazing artworks. You can do that. But the only way you're going to get to that fantastic place is by starting that first step on the journey and learning to draw in 2023. Now, if you would like to learn to draw in 2023, I would be honoured to help you on that journey. As I said before, I'm completely passionate about helping people learn to draw. Now, I have this course. It's called the Ultimate Beginner's Drawing Course, and I build it for people just like you, people who want to learn to draw without going through a lot of frustration and headache. If you want to come on that journey with me, there's a link in the description box below to my website, justindwyerartistry.art. Go there and check out that course. Now, the course is designed to take people from their first beginning steps, step by step, until they climb the ladder of drawing greatness. And you could be one of those people. How good do you think it would feel to be able to wake up in the morning, sit down at the desk, and do an amazing drawing of anything that you like? I can promise you it's amazing. I did it this morning and it felt great. Turn your inspiration into amazing artworks. I promise you, you can learn to draw. www.justindwyerartistry.art. There's a link in the description below. Go there and check out the course. It will change your life. Now, that's it for today. Or is it? Actually, if you'd like to know more about the drawing journey, you can watch this video next. Thank you so much, and I'll see you later. Bye-bye.